These energies of higher frequencies are arriving in bandwidths of the sun's rays that is pouring upon the elements of the water kingdom in beings of light and even upon the plant kingdom. Yadaniya, we welcome their energies. We welcome their essences. We welcome all of their frequencies that is arriving each day now upon all of Gaia's kingdoms around us. I am asking for these bandwidths of higher vibrations that I am seeing to enhance our telepathic abilities, to enhance our telepathic minds, and so that our visionary inner mind's eyes will be able to see as we feel these bandwidths of networks, of communications, of the beings that we are coming to see dancing in these essences on top of the rock kingdoms, onto the plant kingdoms, and above the water kingdoms. The essence of the plasma golden rays of electromagnetics pouring across the sun's rays, and electromagnetics arising in highest energies, moving through our hearts, through our minds, as we integrate all that we are feeling and soon seeing from all that we are hearing on these waters at this time. Amania kodo electromagnetics of energies, electromagnetics of fire frequencies, these bandwidths of two bandwidths moving into Vesica Pisces formations, overlapping circles within circles of sapphire beings that you are seeing in bell formations, in highest vibrations of light beams coming down onto Gaia's waters, onto Gaia's plant kingdoms, rock formations, all in harmonics of oneness. In vibrations of these sapphire rays, in bandwidths of higher powers, and of frequencies, of codes, of sacredness. I'm seeing elliptical rings overshadowing rings within rings, and the kingdoms and the elements are settling into these waveforms of all that is arriving. This beautiful rock kingdom is formatting in the massive shape of a lion's head, and the lion's gate frequency is glowing through as the structure of the profile of this lion is looking outwards onto the kingdoms of the water kingdom, plant kingdom, and all the trees that are shimmering of light. Breathe in this essence of the bandwidths of light that you are seeing formatting in blue sacred waveforms of connections into the plant kingdom that is oscillating in higher wavelengths now, dancing on the water. These waveforms coming in through the plasma electromagnetic fields and the sun's rays within rays within rays, transmitting onto the plant kingdom, onto the waves of light upon the water. I am seeing, I am feeling, hearing, and knowing there's an essence here upon the water beside me. These are the blue bands of the higher magnetics of higher intelligences that is oscillating in this here and now moment. In waveforms that I am asking to communicate. We are here. We are here and speaking in bandwidths of higher frequencies that your electromagnetic fields around your human forms have now begun to oscillate and move into our frequencies so that we may begin to all calibrate in sequences of intelligences within you. Breathe in the essence that is moving into your frequencies of light, of our light intelligences. I'm asking for the essences of a word of knowledge. We are here dancing in reality consciousness. We are bringing in the plasma light quotients of sacred codes that only you can feel. Of these beings dancing in the trees, beings in the waters, speaking to your human minds in waveforms of etheric bandwidths, bathing you, of electromagnetics, of light. It is the oneness that is arriving. You are seeing these bandwidths pulsing magnetics onto Gaia. You are hearing these sounds of the reality of the codes of stillness aligning you. As all the crystals that you cannot see are being activated inside these rock formations. And there are many beings of crystal light energies flowing from these rock formations as the crystals become ignited. A dance of bandwidths moves through the leaves and the trees and across the water and lights up more crystals on the rock formation, amplifying the Lion Gate portal, dancing into your inner mind's eyes, so that you will soon begin to see from deep within of your own crystal consciousness bandwidths of light intelligence. Yorabada, you will begin telepathic connections, communications through these kingdoms, through these elements. And this is the beginning of the oneness vibration of consciousness of the human minds, connecting to the elements and plant kingdoms through these sparks of bandwidths that you are feeling, seeing on these waters. Bandwidths are communicating in waveforms of blue sapphire frequencies, dancing in harmonics, and all is in oneness. All is amplifying here and now. Simply watch and receive and feel these bandwidths of information. And these waveforms are not coming from my voice. No, you will see these bandwidths in the stillness around you wherever you are, and you will know the crystals are communicating within the kingdoms, within the elements around you, waiting for your response. That is all. That is all.